pantun 87.
Selamat datang ya guys, biang mes di kedua sebagai itu kedua hari itu minggu event minggu di kedua sudah event, lalu minggu hari itu peringkat diocese kita nyambut hari ke-5 Children's Sunday, kita ingat ke kerabat diamit dalam diocese kita. Nyalai diserbai banyak lagi kita buka pada kalau sudah permit baca Bible, lalu bisik dipelajar dari bishop kita namanya beri online atau live namanya beri video, lalu pagi itu kita kita sampai ke depan biak awak ke sila terus screen terus gambar dalam harap kalau awak ke berpati miamet kita tuan ke pemaluan di sidang ketua dalam doa dalam kita Tuhan doa kita sudah besar. Allah Ta'ala ke pemaduk berkuasa semua hati manusia di perdaluan semua kedekat manusia di temuan nadai kami terbelalai keluan asuh suci peragam hati kami beru akudus Tuhan ngambil ke kami kau rindu keluan roh Nabi seperti kami lalu usai kemenuan si kudus oleh Yesus Kristus Tuhan kami amin. Laban Allah Ta'ala rindu ke kita manusia yang beri anak tunggal dia Yesus Kristus hidup ke kita hari dosa. Ia jadi seruan kita dalam surga lalu mai kita hidup keberuan lama. Arang kita ngaku bisa kita dalam pengarah salati. Lalu gawati Timotius tetap hidup sang Allah Ta'ala. Lalu mulai dia merindu gamai jauh semua orang. Allah Ta'ala yang berkuasa. Apa kami di surga kami dah berusaha melawan gau diri semua diri dalam ragam dalam jaku dalam kerja boleh hati kita ibu boleh penami boleh hati kenang dekat percaya kami yang mahu salati semua dosa kenegakan kami segala Tuhan Yesus Kristus dimati ke kami ampun semua dosa kami kira lalu sau kebetulan Tuhan dalam batas awak akan selesai ke depan. Amin. Allah Ta'ala yang berkuasa tinggal pun semua orang zaman besar hati kedosa kasih hati kita ngampun lalu lepas kita dari semua dosa kita tetap memberi kita dalam semua penjabatas lalu itu kita dalam hidup yang berwat oleh Yesus Kristus Tuhan kita. Amin. Maju tinggi, selamat kebiaya dalam dunia. Manalah Raja Surga, kalau berkuasa tiap baik semua, kami bantuan, kami berterima kasih Tuhan, kami puji Tuhan dalam menerima. Tuhan Yesus Kristus, anak tunggal, Tuhan Allah lupa Allah Ta'ala. Tuhan semua manusia kasih ke kami. Tuhan keduduk makanan dalam baik, sambut siang kami. Laban bila Tuhan kuajar kudus, Tuhan ajar Tuhan, Tuhan ajar hikmat tinggi, Tuhan Yesus semua dua kudus dalam mulia Allah. Amin. Kita sampai. Oh Tuhan Allah, Allah kami, Tuhan ti lalu kepada Nabi yang kaitan Tuhan. Tulung kami kemansang Engkau mengajar bala anak mantu jadi serak kinangi keridup Tuhan. Beri kami menggok ngarap tibakok ngarap nabi Tuhan. Ngarap kita buyat nabi kau boleh jo. Kami boleh kasai kedok mana kau boleh Tuhan di dunia tu. Kau berdunia ke datai. Sawat sampai kami itu oh Tuhan tegakkan Tuhan. Yesus Kristus memberi perintah sama Tuhan Roh Kudus. Dia tu terdatai di dalam malam dia. Amin. Kita dua. Macam kita ubah salam.
Baca diambil dari Yesaya bagi 60 berkat. Dibaca dari ayat 1 ngagai ayat 3. Angkat Jerusalem lalu macam bakal matahari. Mulia Tuhan macam ngagai luar. Semua bangsa bukai dekat di bawah pemetang dan penampak Tuhan dekat macam ngagai luar. Penampak mulia dia dekat meruang engkau luar. Semua bangsa dekat datai naga penampak Tuhan lalu bala raja dekat datai naga penampak hari Tuhan di baru Saudara Tuhan.
Terima kasih Tuhan. Kita diri Mazmur 98. Jadi pantun si baru ke Tuhan. Ia udah ngejotai kepada kuasa yang engkau beri Roh Kudus. Ia udah boleh tenang. Dia ngamat kismaya yo ngagai rayo teno ati tetap ngok minu jumluan teno yo. Semua bangsa di semua dur damdok menang kalau kami. Lagu puji Tuhan sembah musik kena berikan. Tinggal menuan tasih ngau semua tai hidup dalam wan. Lagu menuan dunia ngau semua hidup batman. Laban dia datai dari pemerintah dunia, dari pemerintah semua bangsa di dunia kena atur terurus betul-betul. Kemudian sampai karena Roh Kudus Bapa mulai beliau kami itu datai sebelah malam beliau. Amin. Kedua kita baca itu.
Diambil dari 2 Korintus bagi 4 berangkat dibaca dari ayat 5 nagai ayat 6. Laban kami ukai dosa pasal kami empu dan pasal Yesus Kristus di Tuhan. Lalu kami empu nyadi ulun kita ketegang Yesus. Laban Allah Ta'ala menyebut awak kan penampak bermancar hari pemetang udah mancar dalam hati kita. Nyampaikan kita nemu mulia ia oleh daripada permuaan Yesus Kristus. Tok cakap Tuhan.
Terima kasih telah.
Kita dengar kebaca Injil Roh Kudus semua pilih nyanyi pantun umur 100, pantun 100.
Baca diambil dari Injil ditulis Matius bagi 5 ayat 14 sampai 16. Mulia Kristus lepas kita. Kita tu nampak dunia. Negeri didiri kepada kasmu, na ulia adalah lain. Nadai megak urang ngumpul lampu lalu merungkup ia kena bisi. Tangankan lampunya tak penduduk lampu. Lalu lampunya dekat mereka nampak ngagai semua orang dalam rumahnya. Bekenyak megak kita. Awak penampak kita mancar ngagai semua orang. Ngambil kesidah medak pemadas ngawak kita lalu mulia ke apa yang diserahkan. Tu Injil Kristus.
Yesus Kristus Tuhan. Kita berdoa. Saya dapat ada video di pelajar dari Submission supaya dalam Student Sunday.
Aku duplikat saja. Yes. Sip bunyi.
Good morning, everyone. God bless you as we celebrate National Children's Sunday this year, 2025, and shalom for myself and my family, also from Bishop Gordon. Today in our diocese, we want to focus on children, the work of our children, the work among our children for the sake of the gospel. And this morning, I want to encourage you on our team, which is Shining for Jesus. And the public figure out, we have our three readings, Isaiah 16, 2 Corinthians 4, and Matthew chapter 5. Which talks about the light that we have already received from our Lord Jesus Christ. If we say we believe in Him, say that we want to follow Him, surely that light is already appeared in the light. Now the thing is, what are we going to do in the light? What are we going to do for the light of the world? He is already risen on us. May we be people who will shine for Him. So this morning, I want to encourage you on this word, arise or mountain light. We need to arise and shine for Jesus where we are. You know, this light is not to be hidden away, but it is meant to be shown to the world so that they will know who Jesus is, so that they will also follow Him, and they will also be encouraged to see other lights coming together. So this morning I want to use this word arise, A-R-I-S-E, to help us understand what we can do and what we should do to bangkitkan terang Yesus dalam kita. Arise and shine, for the light of the world is already on us and available to the world. So for the first letter A, I want to suggest to you that it is about action. You know, as Christians, we are to be active, not passive. It's not good enough to duduk di gereja, tunggu jadwal ajar, the sermon, and the worship on your Sunday, and the receive the Holy Communion. But what we need to do is to begin to start doing, working out our faith, like Apostle Paul tells us. That we have a faith that is already in us. Now we need to start doing, or another word is start serving. There are many opportunities in the church, and I always remember what my wife said. The church is where she needs to learn how to serve people, serve one another, and to learn how to lead people. And that can only happen when we serve one another. The Bible tells us in James chapter 2, faith without works is dead. So the faith that we have, the right that we have already must be seen, must be shown, must be demonstrated, must be illustrated for the world, so that they can also see the light, the faith that we have is real. It is not a passive thing, but an active thing. And we know this word action speaks louder than words. You know, in the Christian life, there should not be any narrow, no action, not only. Rather, we should serve, show, demonstrate the faith that we have, the life that we have in Jesus, because He already started His work of action for God in the world. Some people say that Christians are God with skin must activate our faith. We must work out our salvation, as I mentioned. The art is to renew Him. What do I mean by this? Many years ago, when I was working in the UK, there was an evangelistic campaign called Jim. What does Jim mean? It means Jesus in me. It's about showing the God that we have, the light of the world that we have. Right? And this God tells us that we are the salt of the world. The light, the salt of earth, the light of the world. And this is why we must reveal who is it that is in our life. And we need to show. Jangan takut-takut, like we say in the life. Don't hide the God that has done so marvelous things in our life. What we need to do is to understand that we are already in God and He is already in us. Galatians chapter 2 reminds us that we have been crucified with Christ. It is no longer I who live, but God, Christ, who lives in me. And that's why when people of God, we are always encouraged to show Christ, to show to others is the way, the truth, and the right. But that means we also must believe. Percaya? Yeah. Percaya in our heart that He is the way, the truth, and the right, and we subscribe to Jesus, the only way, or one way, no other way, one way to God. And that's why you and I, my brothers and sisters, must show that Jesus is very living their lives. When we show, then that Jesus is very real in our life. Yeah. Let us be like John the Baptist said, He must increase and I must decrease. So that the Jesus in us will become more and more each year of our Christian journey. Not less and less. Not constant, but more and more. He must increase and I must decrease. As Christian people, you and I need to show people Jesus. Show them Jesus. And that's how it is when we arise and shine for Jesus. Shining for God means we show them who Jesus is. Show them by our words, show them by our life, show them by our action, so that they can know our God who loves them so much that He is willing to send His Son, Jesus, to die on the cross. For them, also us. So that's I. The next letter, I, then you, is I means influence. Learn to influence people. And that's what it's meant in our gospel message today, when they talk about the salt and the light. Salt and light must be shared out. And when they are shared out, they influence or impact or affect their situation. When they food without salt, that's their mind. That's their mind. If we have salt to season it. And that's what we do. As people of God, we season the society. We season the society of God. So that they will know of the God who loves them and that they serve this God. And right, when we put on the right, it shows that it is also dark. The little light in the dark room will give an opportunity for that person to go out. It shows what is going on. And this is why you and I understand that we are salt and we are light. And in fact, another passage in the Bible that I like says that we are least ragi. When you know ragi, when food is too low, it becomes bread. And I like bread. I like the smell of fresh bread. And that can only happen when the yeast when they use the word my God, we tell them that's all right. Because my God is alive, my God is not dead. And that's why you and I will show them the better way. Yeah, the better way, not even the right way, the better way, which is the God way. And this is why you and I always understand that we have an influence. The question is, what type of influence do we have on people? Is it for good? I will say good, or are we not good? And this is why, this way, you and I must understand that we have influence. So let us use it for His glory. Great friends wrote this that don't believe this. Though small and often unseen, there are countless moments in your day in which you can be salt and light in this world. If you see someone who is hurting, maybe it's good to pause and listen to them and listen to them. And then if there's an opportunity to pray, maybe we should pray for them. And bless them in Jesus' name. And commit the situation in Jesus' name. Now that can influence them about when they are hungry, maybe it's a good way for us to show Christ's love by giving them food. Or maybe a drink at the sea. That's what Matthew chapter 25 says. We should be people of a different kind. And when we are people of a different kind, we will have an influence of a different kind. And I pray that it will be a heavenly kind, one that God will ordain for our friends and our family. So that's the time. Okay? So let's look at the text. Let me suggest to you that when we arrive at church, we serve. Another word for serving is loving. Ask any parent who loves their children, how do they show they love their children? By serving them, giving them the best that they can afford, so that our children can have a better life, a better standard of living. That's how we learn that by serving them. And that's how we shine for Jesus when we serve people for Jesus. We are God's hands and feet. We are God's hands and feet, and this way, you and I understand that we represent His hands and His feet to do as God will do. Okay? 1 Peter chapter 4, verse 10, the Apostle Peter says, each of you is used for everything we have received to serve as faithful stewards of God's grace in various forms. See, when we serve people, we impart on them God's grace. God's grace, God's goodness, God's favor, so that they will rise up. They will feel that somebody cares for them. God cares for them. In life, there are many things that we can do, but the best thing we can ever do is to encourage people and to serve people and to show God to people. Because they need to know God, love them. Many of us need to know that it is God who loves them so much. And God will care for them. Because the world will not care for them. Their family will not care for them. And that's why the Apostle Peter is very powerful here. He tells us, when we serve people, we show them God's grace. Grace, people say, stands for God's riches and Christ's expense. So when we serve people, with the wisdom we have, you know what? It shows them God, and it's the best thing we can do. Henry Colosi says that serving others is a simple way to shine the light and heal the world. I will even say, the simple way to shine your light, God's light, and to heal the other world. Because they could be hurting, but then they are reminded of God to serve them, they might be encouraged to work for God and to seek the light of the world. So, we have covered A-R-I-S, not E, encourage. Let me remind us about the A-R-I-S. The A is what? What is the A that you and I have when we need to show? We need to have action. Active. Jangan duduk saja. Proses terima saja. Neglect saja. But we are blessing to others. How do we be a blessing to others? When we are active, we reveal Him. Jesus is me. We reveal the life of the world that we have already received so that they can know that there is a God who loves them. And then we influence them. We show them the better way. We encourage them in the better right. And this way, they will know that there is a better way, not just any other way. And then of course, we serve them. By serving them, we love them. And this last one, encourage. You know, one of my favorite Chinese phrases is "stand at order." You know, I always think about badminton. You know, in Malaysia, Astro always shows badminton games. And when they have a tournament, a tough fight in badminton, they in Malaysia versus Korea or China, you know what the fan always say? Jialu, jialu, jialu. At order. Do more, do better. Because they encourage them. And I think in the world these days, there's not enough encouragement. There's many discouragement. We always listen to the bad news, and then when we hear people talk about other people, it's all about the wrong things, the negative things. But as we know what we are called to do, we need to be encouragers. Encouragers to show the light of Christ that has come from us. So let me encourage you to add oil. Chia you add oil. Don't chia you add oil. You know, there's a video in the word in Hokkien. Chia you means add oil. Chia you means take oil. We should not chia you from people, but we should chia you people. So we should encourage them rather than discourage them. That's what it means to take oil. To take the oil to discourage them. So rather, we must be encouragers. Everybody will do wrong. We are not perfect. So when there is an opportunity to focus on the right things, the good things, also focus well on these things. Remember those things. Don't focus on the negative because there are many negatives. Let's focus on the positive and charity and oil. Also focus when we encourage one another, to encourage one another and to build each other up. The what happens when we have oil, we build them up. It says the Lord will with you. And the Lord will take care of you. The Lord will help you. That's what it is. I will pray. That's my prayer to God. That we encourage. That's one of the ways of encouragement. To say, God, I will pray for you. I will pray and bring you for God. So that we encourage one another. And of course, again, Hebrews chapter 3 verse 13, the writer of the book of Hebrews will remind the believers even that duty to God. Let us today encourage one another daily as long as it is called today. So your encouragement is not act of tomorrow, not hour, but today. When we have a chance to say, good job, Charlie, you should do it now. Then the moment is that not tomorrow when you forget. You know why? Because that's what the writer of the book says. So that none of you may be hardened by sin's deceitfulness. You see, sin is ready to take us. The devil is ready to take us away from God. So that by encouraging one another, we take care of one another. And we don't let sin come. And this is the way that people want to encourage us, not discourage us. So this morning, let me remind each and every one of us again. Shine for Jesus. We need to be shining for Jesus. We need to light the fire that is in us, the light that is in us, and show to the world. How do we do that? Arise. Arise and shine. Be active. That's part of arising. Be active in revealing Jesus to us. And when we reveal Jesus, we influence people. we do that, we serve them, we love them. We remind them that they is a God who loves them. And lastly, let us be encouragers. People who add oil to others so that the light of Jesus will shine even more. The light in our lamp will shine even brighter. And this is my encouragement to all of us this day for our excellent children of faith. So may the Lord bless us. May the Lord keep us. May the Lord make His face to shine upon us. And may we shine for Jesus in our lives. Not just in our lives, but in our family life. Shine for Jesus with our children, with our grandparents, with our parents. Shine for together as a family we can show who Jesus is. By being active together, by remaining Jesus together, by influencing, impacting people together, serving one another, and serving others, and also encouraging each other in the family. So God bless us all and celebrate blessings every Sunday, and may the good God always lead us to be a blessing for Him, just as He bless us so much. So thank you very much, everyone, and God bless us all. We commit ourselves to the Almighty. Amen.
Kita berdiri.
Musik.
Kita coba harap kami harap Allah Taala kita harus kuasa apa yang berkuasa agar segala dunia. Nos mutai kepada nos mutai kepada. Kami harap Tuhan kuasa Yesus Kristus Tunggal Allah Taala kita berbisik Allah Taala kita oleh mula yang beliau. Allah Taala datai Allah Taala nampak datai nampak benar datai benar benar yukai digaga kita muspako lapai beliau semua tay digaga terus juga kita kena buat kita manusia oleh kuasa Roh Kudus jaga beliau dalam suci manusia agar kita bergang letak patus-patus yang bersah mati dan kubur. Hari ketiga yang akan baru kemarin dijakum dalam surat Allah dia. Ia pula yang surga duduk makanan lapai. Ia dekat baru mulia kami dia kemana kejai sampai hidup dan mati dan perintah kemeluan lama-lama. Kami harap Roh Kudus Tuhan hidup dan dari apa yang mana bersembah air melana bersembah yang bersuara dan Nabi Merah Kristian menikah pun Rasul mengaku baptisan dan berdosa dengan tingkat pada mati hidup kemeluan pada tanah. Amin. Kita duduk nanti kepada
Shalom, jadi dalam Kristus. Selamat pagi. Terubah untuk lalu berpenatai dari kesekian servis di 265 ikut. Sekian servis 265 ikut. Jadi pas servis tadi di 270. Jadi artinya dari sembiang hari Minggu saat itu mesti 535 itu. Jadi terima kasih lantai semua kita begitu. Kedua, hari Sabtu itu ialah kita berkah caroling ke semua kita ke Riau bagi turun taman-taman semangga itu. Jadi kita baru bisa nemu hari kedua sudah diberi baluan divisi FB kita pun divisi. Jadi datai ngitir sudah dipadatkan dalam ngitir kita kepada datai. Jadi untuk Jormai kita berkah resmian. Jadi kita tadi isi penanggung pun nak boleh disediakan kita nak boleh datai banyak kita kepada datai. Jadi
minta tahu jadi tiang hari bukai. Ya, ada salah hari bukai kita datai legal kita menabrik datai maya kita patut datai. Jadi semua pemberi kita ini tadi simpan dalam envelope, tulis nama penuh, alamat, ditulis telefon kita tulis dia, jadi simpan. Kita datai lah simpan dalam box sudah disedia beberapa itu penamaan alien. Simpan sampul surat memberi kitanya. Jadi siapa manjai kita ke peruling bekerja tu, cuma kita yang nadai itu, ada salah kita jangan nyuruh memberi kita yang tadi sebagai gereja. Jadi kita nak beri nadai supaya manjai kita patut nadai tahu anjur sebagai gereja, office gereja supaya yang bertawar. Ketiga, kita mesti mendapat luar mungkin, ianya mesti poster, health screening, ianya berusaha pengerai dekat datur 29 hari bulan bila. Jadi titik sudah daripada dulu yang kemarin minta semua kita dari tahu datai pada membangun diri. Jadi pengawal titik ke Manadar berpesan ke pengerai nya nadai berbayar per juma bayar 29 hari bulan itulah start dari 29 pagi sampai pukul 3:30 sampai. Jadi itu kita titik ke mana kita itu datai nampak mayanya lah beberapa pengerai nama saya dipersa mayanya kita tahu bertanya maya 29 hari bulan sebagai sidang yang patut untuk kita bertanya Pak gereja kita Pak Pereso dia. Jadi tahunya tahu sudah yang bukai dari kepada bukai Pak di bulletin. Jadi kita itu bersedia kami minta duduk dan juga terima kasih Tuhan berkati semua. Thank you.
Aram kita bersampai ke Eklesia serta ke semua manusia dalam dunia itu, lalu beri terima kasih ke semua pemanah Allah Ta'ala berkitai. Apa yang kami tulis segap, pengasih serta pengerindu nuan endang peruan ngagai tiap ikut kami. Tajak kami mayor pengelemik serta suah berdosa nuan endang rajuk ngampun kami. Terima kasih ke pengerindu serta pemanah Tuhan. Tuhan boleh pengasih nuan. Ke pagi itu, kami sudah hingga jago ajar Nuan dikenatai ke Amelia Nuan, Archdeacon Tony Jilan George. Terima kasih ke jago ajarnya. Saud kami apai, ukai seminar rindu dengan tang fungsi serta mengajar utai di pesan Nuan dalam penghidup kami. Tuhan boleh pengasih Nuan. Allah Ta'ala di penuh kuasa, apa yang kami tulis segala, Nuan sudah bersemaya dengan ingatkan sapi kami minta dalam mengarah. Keren ke bishop kami, The Right Reverend Datuk Darang George, engkau sampai dia, The Right Reverend Andrew Shi. Ke Eklesia Nuan, bertuai ke Kristus, awal ke semua orang mengaku nama Nuan engkau berkumpul dalam pemandang Nuan, bergulai dia dalam pengerindu Nuan, lalu mandan kemuliaan Nuan di sebelah dunia. Mbak Perry Sendo, kita dah sampai ke Bika Archdeacon Tony Jilat, engkau tidak sebilir, The Father Final Concern, Awak kesedua taruhan lantang serta gerai dalam semua pengawal Baperisto. Bersamping megak kepala staf PCC, Samdikan engkau leader, rapat ministry Baperisto, rapat Women Fellowship, Senior Citizen Ministry, Choir, Silver Parish Youth Fellowship, Sunday School serta rapat komiti pendam. Bersampingkan Mission School, kau bala pengajar ke Peristo serta kau semua chapel. Awak terus mancang lalu menerima berkat hari Tuhan. Kelebih lagi, bersamping minta Tuhan Tuhan berkat ke pengawal kami menyambut Diocesan Children Sunday Sarito. Awakah Roh Kudus Tuhan semampai irin dalam penghidup sidap, lalu ngasihkan jago orang tuai serta wujud dalam penghidup. Lebih lagi, awakah tidak boleh nyerah diri kerja pengawal di kedekat Tuhan. Tuhan oleh pengasih Tuhan. Beri penemu kepulandik ke semua orang di megai kuasa, lalu iring menua Malaysia, engkau negeri Sarawak, engkau semua menua bukai. Kami minta Tuhan Tuhan nyau sidak ke pemerintah kami. Engkau berkat Tuhan tidak tahu bukan. Kami ke sidak di udah tahu dikarap ke megai kuasa, di diberi Tuhan ke sidak, tahu benar kau lurus merintah manusia manyun, di diibut sidak. Kami minta Tuhan tinggal ke kami asal semua bangsa manusia dia seagi, nak belayak, nak berperang, beri ke kami hati rindu, di nangi kenuan, hati terkerat, ke nitih ke semua pesan Tuhan. Tuhan boleh pengasih Tuhan. Beri berkat Tuhan, oh Allah Ta'ala, ke semua kami, ke kami sebilik, ke pangan kami, serta engkau orang di diau semak kami. Awakah kami tahu kerja pengawal Kristus dalam pemana engkau pangan diri, lalu rindu ke diri sama diri baka Kristus dirindu ke kami. Bersamping ke semua bala tidak tai bersedia ke penghidup ruang bilik, ke pengawal, ke pendiam serta pemindah. Awakah Tuhan beri berkat serta awakah penyaut Roh Kudus seluruh bisik bau kita. Allah Ta'ala dipenuh pengasih, anak Tuhan Yesus Kristus tiada Tuhan Maria, kerja kami dalam hidup kami bersari-sari awakah dalam penggagal engkau pengusaha hati kami, dekat lalang kuasa Tuhan bisik engkau kami, ngempung lalu minuman ke oleh Yesus Kristus anak Tuhan kami. Tuhan oleh pengasih Tuhan. Selantang lalu kerai kesidak diinat ke penyakit bertubuh, hati ke roh kelebih hati kita bersamping ke Yo Lihun, Benjamin Timbat, Lagat anak lagi, Mujan John, Sanjan anak Gamal. Engkau semua orang di udah tuai, orang di hendak berpenggerai serta sakit di rumah hospital, atau ke di rumah panjai, ke hendak ditemu kami dan ditemu Tuhan Tuhan. Gerai ke sidak Tuhan. Beri ke sidak perancang engkau pengadap hati lebih ditinggal penusah, lalu beri ke sidak pengawal hati tidak tahu ada selamat Tuhan. Tuhan oleh pengasih Tuhan. Tinggal ke kami, lebih kami ingat ke sidak udah mati Arab ke Kristus, kelebih lagi ke sidak udah tinggal ke kita. Dina anak Ibau, Peter Pitch. Nitih kesemayan Tuhan, beri ke kami sama kau sidak bagi dalam perintah Tuhan beruat lama-lama. Tuhan oleh pengasih Tuhan. Nya alai, anda nanti bergulai kau sendu, nyadi patrol gereja kami, engkau semua orang suci bukai, kami beri diri, kapal engkau orang Kristen, bukai megak, ke dalam penginduk luar. Semua, apa yang dikasih, sambut semia kami, tegal anak Tuhan Yesus Kristus ditebus kami. Amin.
nyebut samping dalam Sito. Tuhan ti pemandu kasih menunuan jebata kami nama kita. Jari kami nak suci hati kami nak berstia. Kami nak patut pakai doa di baru Tuhan. Tuhan Tuhan taruh tebus kami lalu bagi Tuhan rakyat dosa. Nyalai suci lutupi kami dan tubuh dan Tuhan di berkah. Awak kio terdiam dalam kami, lalu kami dalam dia. Awak kami semua kembali Kristus dan mulai duduk semua pakai dalam cerita Tuhan. Amin. Thank you. Kita itu tubuh Kristus dari roh siku, kita itu dari baptiso dalam tubuh siti. Aram kita hidup saya dengan selamat penuh mansang ke jalan hidup semua. Selamat Tuhan dia muti kau selalu. Aram kita selamat mandiri. Tuhan dalam secara semua dunia menanuan rutin kedua dapat tanah dan gagok Indonesia dengan dia rutin hidup ke kami. Puji kenuan Tuhan secara semua dunia menanuan bisik ayat bor kedua dan ayat bor penanggur dan gagok Indonesia dengan Kristus hidup kami. Datay kita mapnarap sa tubo ni Jesus Kristus Tuhan kita kita ngau darayo kinpancut kita pakai ngau irup yo dengan matinggal kita lu sambut yo dalam kita ngau narap sunto lalu berikut.
doa ke pemberi kita lalu kita bersyukur. Ginoan Tuhan, semua selesai kuasa mulia untuk mana laban semua tay ke syukur daw di bumi ngamagan semua tay datay rinuan fisik rinuan kami juga Ginoan.
Kita bangunkan diri lalu nampung sembahyang kita yang menyanyi pantun nomor 66, pantun tenang.
Tuhan Allah kami minta Tuhan merangsang ke hati orang di arah Tuhan. Kami tidak tahu maksud ke hasil dari Tuhan di mana. Lalu hari ini tidak tahu mendapat terima upah Tuhan dibesai oleh Yesus Kristus Tuhan kami. Amin. Apa yang semua kami puji berterima kasih Tuhan kepada buah kami lagi jauh. Namat kami dalam menanuan merumai kami pulai Tuhan. Dalam pemati menghidup yang dia pemberi Tuhan, beri kami berkat serta duka pintu muda Tuhan. Asuh kami kuda nasai Tuhan Kristus hidup niat hidup ia kuda dekat baru dimati. Asuh kami kuda hidup dari mangkuk ia beri penghidup seorang bukai. Asuh kami kuda derang ke oleh Roh Kudus beri terang terabukai dan asuh kami berulang tetap dalam menerap gerak ditanggap Tuhan ke kami. Awak ke kami tahu semua dan Tuhan tak boleh terlepas. Lalu semua manusia kehidup puji nama Tuhan oleh Kristus Tuhan kami. Amin. Tuhan Allah yang berkuasa kami beri puji ke Tuhan. Kenapa Tuhan sudah memberi kami dengan tumbuh darah Tuhan Yesus Kristus. Beliau menunjuk ke Tuhan semangat untuk kami yang dipilih ke hidup. Asuh kami kena kuasa Tuhan. Tapi kami tahu hidup kerja mulai puji kau mulia Tuhan. Amin. Kita duduk dulu lepas lepas tu kita kenal ke semua bala amin. Kita selamat datang di program Manusia. Itu arti menurutnya kita dalam penemu gapnido latalo gau anak Yesus Kristus Tuhan kita. Lalu berkat latalo di pemandu kuasa apa anak Roh Kudus diam kita beruan kita balik hari.